6 Pokemon preview packs. 5 are Lost Thunder, and 1 is a team up. Let's get to opening them. Now, I'm gonna say, I actually like opening these because, you know, it's the, what am I gonna get, you know? Like, factor. You know? Okay, a Dedenne Electric. A Slowking, nice. Non-hollow though. And an Ariados, which is pretty cool. Actually, it's one of my favorite Pokemon from like Gen 2. Next pack with Lugia on it. Well, that opened with authority, didn't it? Another Morlaw. I mean, come on, like, there's only so much I can take of that one. Ooh, a Reverse Lantern, that's pretty cool. And a Vespiquen, non-hollow or reverse. Pretty cool. Next pack. Oh, by the way, I did see a deck with this dude in it. But I forgot. I only saw it like for a second for the name. I'm hoping to get this one. I am not stopping until I get that one. I swear to God. Okay, Ralt, Fairy version. What is with these weird names? Oh, it's an evolution. I have that card. It's cool. Naganadel. Reverse. That would actually be pretty cool if it was, like, not reverse, but regular. And Water Energy. Come on, packs. I need more Grass Energies, because I'm trying to build a, bug deck. Come on. Another pack with this dude on it. Okay, a Pick-a-Pack. Holy crap, a Tyranitar GX. As I said, get the preview packs. You have a better chance of getting them. This doesn't look full art, if I'm not mistaken. I have no idea. Ooh, it's a dark type one too. That's pretty cool. And a Maguna. Yeah, I realize I haven't really seen or heard these Pokemon names pronounced. The last, Lost Thunder. Okay. Onyx. I was like getting this one. I don't know why. It's just nice. Reverse Tangela. Which is actually, this is actually one of my favorite, like, designs from Lost Thunder anyway. And another Water Energy. Come on, people. I need Grass Energy. I'm trying to build a bug deck here. Like, Jesus. And the last pack, Team Up. I'm not expecting crap in this pack anyway, so I'm cool. I won't get off. Tentacle, Poison Psychic version. That is actually one of my favorite designs, I have to say. If this was reversed, oh my god, that'd be nice. A Paris, which I will probably add to, wow. Yep, I'm adding it just for the HP. And a Fire Energy, come on, people. Anyway, I'm glad I got the Slowking, because I have no idea if I lost the one I had. I like this Ariados. I definitely like the Reverse Lantern. And I definitely like the Tyranitar GX. That is actually pretty nice. That's actually very nice. That's a very nice card right there. So yeah. As I said, I wasn't really expecting nothing. I'm glad I got something. Anyway, y'all. If y'all like this video, thumbs up. I'm getting there though. Saying thumbs up instead of like. What was it unlike again? YouTube is weird, to say the least. Anyway, and favorite it, comment, and subscribe. Peace.